Learning the hard way. Mark Twain wrote, "A few flybites cannot stop a spirited horse." Nothing attempted, nothing gained is an old saying. Learning lessons in every situation with better insight and a renewed commitment is a sure path to victory. Albert Einstein, theoretical physicist and Nobel Prize winner, couldn't speak until he was 4 and couldn't read till he was 7. His teachers said that he wouldn't amount to anything. Today, his name is synonymous with genius. Steven Spielberg was rejected 3 times by the University of Southern California School of Cinematic Arts because of his poor grades in high school. He went on to direct 51 films and was awarded 3 Oscars. Spielberg has created some of the greatest movies of all time. Movies like Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark, Jaws and the Jurassic Park. Are you aware that J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter series, was denied by 30 different publishers when she submitted her first manuscript? She was told, "Sorry, that just wouldn't make a good book." Today, over 500 million Harry Potter books have been sold worldwide in 80 different languages. Walt Disney, creator of Mickey Mouse, was fired from a newspaper company for not being creative enough. They said that he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. Today, he holds the record for most Oscars, 22 of them won by any individual. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first job after her boss told her that she was too emotional and not fit for television. Today, she is the owner and the host of Oprah Winfrey Show, the most renowned talk show on television. Oprah's net worth is over $3.5 billion. Ludwig van Beethoven was told by his teacher that he was hopeless and would never be a composer. He is regarded as the greatest musical geniuses who ever lived. He composed some of the best loved symphonies of all time, 5 of them while he was completely deaf. Helen Keller was stricken with an illness at the age of 19 months, which left her blind and deaf. She became mute soon after. Yet she became one of the best known educators and authors of America. She devoted her life to help the deaf and the blind. In his early years, teachers told Thomas Alva Edison that he was too stupid to learn. But it was he who gave us the telegraph, the phonograph, the cinema machine, the electric lamp, and a host of other things that transformed life. Dhirubhai Ambani did not attend school. He often lived in a car garage. He had to live without proper food, shelter, and clothing on many occasions. He is today regarded as the founder of Reliance Industries and the architect of the great Indian Industrial Revolution. Steve Jobs dropped out of college after 1 semester. At 30, he was removed from the company he started, that is, the Apple. He is remembered today not only as the co-founder of Apple and Pixar Animation, but as the charismatic pioneer of personal computer era. Setbacks, disappointments, rejections, and unsuccessful attempts were not failures for these people. Emerson said, "Men succeed when they realize that their failures are the preparation for their victories." Like a good center forward in football, they learn to push upwards, making the most of every failure. They overcame many obstacles and many doubts, and had the rarer courage to create a life that was truly amazing and inspirational. Learning the hard way is the only way. Learning the hard way displays your finest personality. Gold and silver are tested in fire. So too, strong men and women in the crucible of suffering.